Hi guys, Sam from Android App Reviews here. Just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys the advanced settings of the live caption feature in the Android 10 system update. We're gonna go ahead and delve a little deeper into these settings. Go ahead and tap on the settings icon, scroll down to accessibility, go ahead and tap on it, and then you're going to tap on hearing enhancements right here, and we'll scroll down to where it says live caption right here. Tap on it to open it. Now my live caption option is already enabled, but this is where you would enable and disable it. Under settings, it's only English right now, but they're saying that there are more languages coming soon. The high profanity option right here, if you basically enable it, it's going to show an asterisk symbol whenever there is a bad word. Show sound labels, so it's going to show you if there's laughter or applause, or if there's music playing in the video. It will basically label those sounds, and you can turn this on or off. And lastly, you have live caption volume control. What that means is that to enable and disable it, there's a shortcut. So if you have this enabled and you tap on the volume button, or you press the volume button on your phone, you'll get this on the top right here. You tap on that little down arrow and you will see the setting right here at the bottom, where it says live caption, automatically caption media. So you can access it through there, and that's basically a shortcut. So if you have this enabled right here, that will allow you to access it through the volume control. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to be covering the Android system in detail. There'll be a lot more videos coming in the future, and I'll be also covering the apps that I use most often and that I like and that are really useful, entertaining, and helpful, and all of that stuff, and also games actually. So yeah, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and stay safe, stay blessed, and stay tuned.